Mommy says no, ask Grandma. Uh-oh. That scares me. Because Grandma will spoil you big time. Hi, Alexander. Aw, poor little man has hiccups.
Oh, yeah, the Aerosmith onesie.